Hey guys, Trevor here to walk you through the broadcast lighting kit, an absolute must-have for video calls. Let's get into it. When you open the box, you will find the panel go, a silicone diffuser, the extension pole, the extendable legs, a suction cup, and underneath it all, you'll find a how-to card, a charging cable, and a USB-A to USB-C adapter. First, let's get started with how to use the light itself. To turn on your panel go, simply hold the blue button on side for 3 seconds and your light will turn on. Once you turn the light on, you'll also see an LED screen on back turn on. This is where you can see your settings like brightness, color temperature, and battery life. To adjust the settings of your light, it's very simple. If you tap the blue button, you'll see the indicator dial going from brightness to color temperature. To adjust your brightness, make sure that triangle is on the brightness section, then use the adjustment dial and push it up to increase brightness and push it down to decrease brightness. Same concept applies for color temperature or the warmth of your light. To increase your color temperature or make it more of a white light, push the adjustment dial up, and to make it more of a warm light, push the adjustment dial down. And keep in mind, as you increase the brightness of your light, your expected battery life will decrease. And this is really cool because you can see it happening in real time. As you increase your brightness, take a look at the top left part of your screen. This is where you can see your expected runtime on your given brightness. A very handy feature to know exactly how much time you have left on your lighting. And to make the light itself as easy to look at and as soft and flattering as possible, we've designed it with 2 layers of diffusion. The LED itself has 1 layer of diffusion, a softed coat over the light, and it also comes with an add-on silicone diffuser, which is very easy to apply. You simply overlay it over the front of your light and just make sure that the buttons and dial on the right side of your light align with the opening on your diffuser. To recharge your broadcast lighting kit, first locate the USB-C port on the side of your light, just below the adjustment dial. Then grab the included charging cable, plug it in, and your light will start charging. You can actually see a little indicator on the back screen indicating that it is charging. If you'd like to charge your broadcast lighting kit from a USB-C port, you'll want to use the included USB-A to USB-C adapter to make this happen. Now that you know how to use the light itself, let's get into the multiple mounting options that make this kit so awesome. The broadcast lighting kit can be mounted in 4 different ways, and it really depends on 2 things to figure out which mounting option works best for you. One is how high you want your light to be up above you or around your desk space, and 2, how much available desk space do you have to actually mount your lighting to. First, we'll start with my favorite, the tabletop stand. And to use this mounting solution, first mount the legs to the extension pole, and then you'll mount your panel go to the top of the extension pole where there's a little ball head mount on top. Then go ahead and open the legs on bottom so you can set your tabletop stand down on a surface. You'll also notice that the legs can be extended to be a little longer for a sturdier or even a taller mounting solution. Go ahead and just pull on the end of the legs and they will extend like so. And to retract them back to their original position, push the little button on bottom and they will slide right back in. We always recommend getting your lighting up above your eye level and shining down on you at a 45-degree angle. This is a very natural and flattering look. Simply pull on your tabletop stand and it will extend like so. Then go ahead and use the ball head mount on top, loosen it up and angle your lighting down to shine down on you from the stand. For the absolute best results, we recommend a 2-point lighting setup where each light is on each side of your camera or webcam. Mounting option number 2. If you want a more low profile mounting option where your light is a little bit closer to your surface that you're working on, you can simply mount the ball head mount to the legs on bottom and remove the telescoping pole. Simply unscrew the ball head mount from the pole, unscrew the legs from the pole, and then attach those 2 pieces together. If you have minimal desk space and you really don't have that room for the legs of the tabletop stand, these next 2 mounting options are for you. So option number 3, you can actually remove the legs of the tabletop stand and replace them with the suction cup. The suction cup makes a great base because it is sturdy and virtually takes up no space. Before you mount to the surface, be sure to clean it off to make sure there's no dust or debris. Then go ahead and apply pressure to the suction cup and close the latch shut. The last mounting option, the most low profile, is to use the light itself and your suction cup. And you can use the suction cup to mount it straight to your desk or straight to the device that you're doing video calls on. You simply mount your panel go directly to the suction cup and you can mount it to your device like your laptop, desktop, or iPad, or directly to the surface that you're working on. Simply screw the panel go onto the suction cup and then latch your suction cup onto your surface. And once again, make sure your surface is nice and clean to ensure you have a secure mount. And no matter what mounting solution you are using, once you have everything set up, be sure to give yourself a good look on camera and make those last-second adjustments to fine-tune your lighting. So adjust the warmth of your light and the brightness to make sure you look as naturally lit on camera as possible. Well, there you have it. We hope this video helped you get a better understanding of the broadcast lighting kit. If you have any further questions we didn't cover here today, feel free to reach out to support@lumecube.com or post your comment in the Lume Cube community group on Facebook. We'll see you next time.